smell structure is the main entrance. The entire frame is bent and corroded, so we need to rebuild it with reinforced steel. We're welding the new steel arch frame to improve. This will hold the entire entrance shape and support the upper facade. These sidewalls had massive holes cut. We're pouring new concrete sections that will tie into the original structure. We're laying solid hardwood flooring. This is Brazilian walnut, extremely durable and beautiful for a luxury bedroom. The drywall ceiling gives us a smooth, clean surface pimenti, and we'll embed the smart lighting directly into it. This bed frame is custom built to look like a race car. Even the headlights work. We're using large format porcelain tiles that mimic Carrara marble gens. It gives a high-end luxury feel to the bathroom. Tempered glass, 8 millimeters thick, strong enough to handle steam and temperature changes without any issues. This shower panel has multiple jets. Just like a car wash, you get hit from every angle. This epoxy needs to cure for at least 24 hours before we can lay down the next coat. These tire barriers will absorb most of the impact on the sharp turns. Four brand new karts, all tuned up and ready to race on this track. These are custom racing arcade cabinets, each one with a different classic track. The neon lighting completely transforms this room into a real arcade atmosphere. Every detail in this room has to feel like you're inside a real racing garage. Hot water is running perfectly through every pipe in the house, no leaks anywhere. From a total wreck to a fully functional luxury racing mansion, our view, every single detail has been checked and approved.